Hi friends, welcome to my kitchen. Let's make the classic corn casserole, but plant-based.
We just need a few wholesome ingredients and it's so easy to make. Rinse and drain the whole kernel corn. Add the creamy style corn, plant-based yogurt, applesauce, maple syrup, and combine. Now let's mix the dry ingredients. Start with the cornmeal, then add oat flour, baking powder, and salt. Fold dry ingredients into the wet mixture until just combine. Don't overmix. Pour the mixture into the baking dish. Smooth the top and bake for 55 to 60 minutes or until it's golden and set. Let it rest for 10 minutes before slicing and enjoy. Thank you for cooking with me today. Bye.